There's poo there.
So I've come to Manchester to see Lucy, but I'm actually staying in West Yorkshire with my parents, and they all talk like this. I've got my watermelon nails on, and I was getting smoothie from Costa, and the woman goes, "I like your nails," and I was like, "Oh, thank you," but I didn't say it like that, because I should go around and talk like this so I fit in really good, shouldn't I? We are going to town. We're going to town. We're ready for the bus. I dare you to go out there and like do some crazy stuff. No, I'm not. Check out my desk.
It's like a bit of chicken.
We had the best story. So we were buying this new microwave that you're sitting on right now, camera, and we were behind this lady who was really, really sweet and was like, how are you getting home with that?
Because it's very heavy.
We're just walking really, it's just around the corner. And, oh no, you can't walk with that, that's so wet. And she tried to pick it up.
She treated us and said, "I'll get you a taxi," and I was like, no, it's really fine. We'll just walk, it's fine. So she gave us £5 really, and the taxi's about £3. So we've gained £2 there.
And then she was like, "Next time you see me,
Buy me a lollipop. I
An
made
orange
an orange
one."
one. And then I'll have orange all around my mouth for 2 days, and everyone will tell me. And
She was called Patricia the stripper. And she was like, "Make sure he lifts it into the boot for you, alright?"
So we will. We really will.
So, pretend to try and pick it up.
No, I can't pick it up.
Pick it up and... Oh, he's getting out. He's getting out.
Cutting it.
I was just wondering if you were really strong.
I know your answer. Question.
Thank you. How lovely was that man? He was so sweet. He even carried it to the front door for us. They're so nice. They look like stuffing, but they're chocolate with digestive biscuits on them. I'm in my bra. Don't look. Don't look at me. So good. So good. So good. I'm going home from Lucy's house today. I'm going to miss Lucy. Lucy, I'm going to miss you.